Alright, we got a blower motor now working on this 6.6 diesel GMC. First thing you want to do is start the fuse box. Let's see if we can find our blower fuse. You see right here we got a short somewhere. Let's get the key back for it. So the air should be on right now. Touch this. It's on. Let go. It don't. So when I move it a certain way, it works. So we got a problem. Disconnect something somewhere. Assuming it's up there. Now it's running. No, it's not. I think our issue gonna be down in here somewhere. Let me pop this open and see what we're looking like. Looks like there's some arcing going on in there. On our pin, this GoPro isn't good, really close up situations, but it's a pin in there, pin D. It looked kind of melted in there. Right here. And the correlating wire as well. Right here, you can tell it's a little brown compared to the other one. This is a case of somebody else hooked up the wrong resistor to there. It wasn't fitting in the slot, nor is this connected. The connector is supposed to be on here, so let's fix this issue. I'll snip these wires right here. Let's go ahead and tap into these. We got our wire diagram right here highlighted. Got a blower motor control processor. A will be the ground. B is the signal. It's the part we got here, door last, part number 987. Something like this, so all this connected and stuff, so we just it's cold, it's freezing out here. All right, looking at it from right here, we got A, B, C. So like I said, put the loop side down. I'm gonna slide it right into place till it clicks like that. The middle one has a smaller gauge, so same thing though, loop side down. I'll feed that in till it clicks. Got the other gauge wire. Oh, this wind blowing, it's making it colder. Till it clicks, grab our locking tab right here. All right, we got that in there. We're gonna push down and click that. Now these tabs is locked in there. Alright, so looking at it like this, we got A, B, C. So on here, A is our ground. So let's go ahead and strip this A to this ground wire right here. These are cheap situations. Don't need to be waterproof or anything. So ain't gotta do too much foolery. So now we got battery voltage on here. Actually, I'm gonna make these permanent. I'm gonna go ahead and solder these in. I'm just gonna get this over here for now, like such. Get this wire right here. And intertwine these as much as you would like. Twist them up. Feed this over two like that, right in the middle of that connection. Just start it, lock that on. We're just gonna heat this up. Melt that solder in there. I want to let that solder melt like it is. We're gonna go around these seals just to seal everything in. Alright, let that cool off. Alright, that solder is on there good. Like I said, we ain't gonna use no heat shrink because it's not an element, so. But we are gonna wrap it up just for installation purposes. That started on there. Once it's cooled down, a little tug test. It's on there solid. Let's go ahead and button this up. Plug it up to our motor. Little motor kicked on. That's good.